We have a simple interest problem here. It says Eli's bank account earns 7% simple interest. He deposits $100, and after some time passes, he earns $28 in interest. How much time in years must have passed in order for him to earn this much interest? Do not include units in your answer. So we're going to identify the things that they give us. I'm mostly looking for numbers. I see 3 of them here. I see 7% simple interest. That's going to be the rate. I see $100 that he deposits. That's his principal. Okay, principal. That's your pal. It's been with you since the beginning. And I see $28, and that's going to be the interest. That's not the total that he has at the end. That's just going to be his interest. So we're going to use this formula over here. Simple interest equals PRT, principal times rate times time. And I'm going to put it right here. And let's go ahead and plug it in. My simple interest is $28. SI equals P, which is my principal. That's how much I start with. That's 100. R is the rate. Now remember, you want to write the rate as a decimal when you're putting it in the formula. So 7% is actually 0.07 as a decimal. And that's going to be times time, which is T, which is our unknown, and that's what we're looking for. Okay, so I could solve this in one step if I wanted to. I could just divide both of these things out. I'm going to go ahead and multiply them since they're right next to each other. So I have 28 equals 100 times 0.07. That's going to be 7. You can use your calculator if you want. Times T. And to get the grumpy old T by herself, we're going to divide both sides by 7. 7's cancel. 28 divided by 7 is a nice number. 4 equals T. So usually whenever you get a nice number like this without any kind of crazy fractions or decimals, you can feel pretty good about your answer. Okay, so T is time in years. This is actually 4 years. The problem said do not include units in your answer. So it is 4 years, but you want to just type in the number 4. Simple interest.